In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create beautiful email templates in HubSpot without needing any coding skills. Whether you're crafting newsletters, promotional emails, or personal announcements, having a well-designed email can significantly impact the engagement and effectiveness of your communication. Let's get started and walk you through this simple and user-friendly process. To begin, make sure you're on the HubSpot main page. HubSpot is a fantastic tool that allows for seamless management of customer relationships and marketing campaigns. Once you're on the main page, head over to the CRM tab at the top of the screen. Here, we're looking for the Manage Templates option. This is where all the magic happens, offering us the flexibility to create and customize email templates according to our needs. Clicking on Manage Templates will guide you to a new interface where you'll notice an option labeled New Template. This is our launching point for creativity. When you click on New Template, you're given the choice to either start from a blank canvas or utilize one of the many pre-designed templates provided by HubSpot's library. If you're feeling adventurous and want to create something entirely unique, choose the blank option. However, for those who want a little extra help getting started, feel free to browse HubSpot's extensive library of template designs. Once you've decided which route to take, it's important to select a template that aligns well with the content and goals of your email. Think about the message you wish to convey and the audience you're targeting. HubSpot's library offers a variety of templates suited for different purposes, everything from simple, text-heavy designs to more vibrant, image-filled options. After you choose the template that best suits your needs, it's time to save your selection. At this stage, clicking on Save My Selections will ensure that your chosen template is ready for further customization. This step is crucial as it locks in your choice, allowing you to start editing and personalizing the template details safely. From here, you can begin editing the content and layout to fit your brand's voice and style. Adjust fonts, colors, and images to make sure the template aligns with your company's branding guidelines. This customization ensures your emails aren't just templates, they're a true representation of your brand's identity. Creating email templates in HubSpot is designed to be straightforward and intuitive, giving even those without coding experience the tools to design compelling, beautiful emails. Remember, the aim is to communicate effectively with your recipients, so ensure that your final product is not only visually attractive, but also clear and purposeful. Once everything looks good and reads well, you're ready to send. Thank you for following along. Now, go ahead and make those emails shine.